Are you in danger of losing your home? If so, I can immediately help you. It is difficult to know exactly what to do. Unfortunately, the problem is not going to go away. The real issue is how are you going to deal with the problem. There are 3 actions you could take. If you have equity in your property, you could try to refinance. You can attempt a loan modification, but you should be aware that one of the unintended consequences of a loan modification can be a foreclosure. Approximately 100,000 homeowners go into foreclosure each month, and most try loan modifications. We can submit a short sale package to your bank and request a short sale payoff. When a short sale is conducted properly, you are allowed to sell your home for less than what is owed to the bank. When conducted properly, there are no deficiency judgments, and the bank cannot come after you later for the unpaid balance. During the short sale process, you can take 4 to 6 months to stay in your home without making payments. If you find yourself in a situation where you can no longer afford your mortgage payment, we can help you. My team consists of 2 attorneys, a paralegal, and 3 full-time bank negotiators. We are experts. We know how to deal with the banks. When we submit a short sale file to the bank, we submit it under the law firm's name. Once we submit the file, you no longer talk to the banks. We do all the negotiating for you. If you have any questions and would like to speak to our attorney directly, you can. The best news is that you will receive expert assistance and there's no cost to you. You pay no commissions or legal fees. If you have found yourself in this situation, I want to help you. And the best way for me to do so would be for you to briefly explain your situation in an email. In closing, I'd like to leave you a couple of thoughts. If you are thinking of attempting a loan modification, please call your bank and ask, do you own my loan? If they say no, please go to the Mother Jones link I have provided. We hope this information is useful. If you believe I could be of service to you, don't hesitate to email me. I look forward to helping you navigate through this process with ease and confidence. Thank you very much for your time.